can always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about the Supreme Fall Winter 2021 teaser. Normally for fall winter seasons, I feel like they're just way better than spring summer. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys have to say in the comments. But if you do end up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and do not forget to subscribe down below, man. We have a bunch of new content coming for you guys. The lighting probably looks crazy. I'm trying to figure this shit out, bro. Let me know what to do, low key. I feel like it's a little bit too blue. It's like if I aim it directly at me, there's a big ass shadow in the back. Trust me, the process is gonna be done soon, bro. I'm trying to figure this all out, and I hope you guys stick around for the ride because I have a bunch of new content coming. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So first I want to go ahead and talk about the actual teaser. With the teaser in itself, it's basically this dude wearing like a hat, and he has this Supreme puffer jacket, which is almost like a portrait or like a picture of people sitting in front of the Supreme store. It looks authentic to what skateboarding is. Literally a bunch of just gnarly ass kids sitting outside waiting to do some tricks on the street type shit. That's what I feel like Supreme should be doing, and I feel like this kind of represents what that is. I don't know if this is like an old picture, 1990s type shit. I do kind of like the direction of where they're going with this picture. This literally can be the best jacket, and the rest of the season could be ass for all I know. It looks cool, and it's giving me some sort of hope. I'm not gonna lie, something, bro. And at the corner, all the way at the very bottom of the picture, you can see that homie is rocking these like quilted Supreme Dickie pants. I don't know if that's something that's actually gonna come out this season, but it is what he's wearing. I feel like it's almost a solid indication that we are gonna see a Dickie Supreme collaboration this season, and that's something that I'll keep you guys posted on. So yeah, with the teaser, pretty much I kind of do like it. I feel like it's the direction that I wanted Supreme to take it. I really hope that this season there's a lot of puffer jackets, a lot of hoodies. I'm actually really excited for this lookbook slash preview to come out. If you guys are interested in watching that, let me know in the comments below. Also drop down any video ideas you have for me down there as well. As far as the teaser goes, I would say 7, maybe an 8 out of 10. I do like the way that it looks in general. I feel like they could have done better, but at the same time, there's only but so much they can show you, and this is not that bad, bro. It's kind of solid. Let me know what you rate it in the comments below as well. I also wanted to add that Supreme is actually doing a collab with the MTA to paint over like these trains basically, and what they're doing is promoting the new season with this. So sometimes they do like commercials, sometimes they do the New York Post, how we've seen in the past, and I really do like this take on basically promoting the new season. So I did want to add this. There's been rumors of a bunch of shit, bro. We got rumors that there's gonna be box logo tees and hoodies or crew necks, and we've been getting rumors that there's gonna be a Yankee collaboration this season, which, hey, my man's, that's all me right there. Yankees fan till I die. I really do love what they've done in the past with Supreme, and I feel like they could only do good shit in the future. All you gotta do is slap a Yankees logo, put a nice little Supreme subtle branding on it. We good, bro. We vibing. So that's something that I'm interested in going into depth in and just seeing what the fuck they come out with, to be honest. We also do have the Thrasher collaboration, which was supposed to come out this past season, and low-key for some reason they didn't drop it. I feel like it's gonna come out, and whenever it does, it's something that I'd possibly go for, but it's not guaranteed. I definitely do like Thrasher, but I just feel like that's like 2015 type shit. Like, I don't know if I'm trying to engulf myself in some of that. There's these pair of dunks that go crazy, bro. Like, they go hard, and I really am a fan of them. It's almost like this, I don't know what the fuck it is, but it looks like playing cards because one of them has like an ace on it. So these dunks basically are gonna come in like 2 colorways from what I see so far. There's like a red and white pair, and then like a navy and red pair as well. These say by any means possible on the back, and they have no love, literally like no, and then a little heart around the toe box. These are gonna go crazy, bro. People sleep on high top dunks, and I feel like they go so hard. Like, I honestly want to know what you guys think about these dunks. Like, these go crazy. I feel like these are gonna do really good numbers, and I really am excited to see what happens with these. I feel like resale is gonna be there at least 700-800. These are gonna go for beans, things, bro. I am possibly gonna go for those when they release, to be honest, and I'm really excited to see what those do in the future. So as we know, Supreme season is coming headstrong, bro. It's right around the corner, and a lot of these releases from Supreme tend to do good resale wise, like we all know this. So I do want to talk about the best iOS bot on the market. The name of the bot is Addict, and they actually do restock in very small amounts. So if you guys are interested in possibly buying a copy, I'm gonna link them at the top of the description. They fly fast, so make sure you go ahead and sign up for their newsletter. They have a bunch of features which I am gonna cover in a little bit for y'all. When it comes to Supreme, they kill it every week. A lot of people who've taken my advice and got Addict actually have seen success, and the great thing is not only do they cover Supreme, they cover 85 other stores as well, from Kith, Undefeated, Bait Palace, Fear of God, Essentials, and they recently added Ama Meniere and other stores that are tier 0 Jordan stores, which basically lets you get the more general release sneakers. And the best thing is there's no renewal fees, so once you pay for the bot, you never have to pay a dime ever again. So any update is free for life, literally. They do typically update the bot every 2 to 3 weeks to make sure that everything's up to par and running smoothly. Over the past few months, Addict has been seeing success on these huge releases, bro. I'm talking about Ama Meniere, Yeezys, Supreme, obviously, Cause. So I wanted to go over some of the features that Addict has, like unlimited tasks. So if you want to go ahead and buy 4 to 5 different items, you can go ahead and run 10 tasks per profile. They also launched Yeezy Mode 2.0, which has been cooking for users almost every week. One of my favorite features that Addict offers definitely has to be hybrid mode. It allows you to go into the tasks that you're running. Let's say you're going for a box logo and the XL was the size you entered, but it sold out. You can quickly switch it to a large, add it to cart, and still be able to check out. They also even have restock mode, which basically means that once an item goes out of stock, you don't lose hope there, bro. It basically runs the bot in the background to still be able to secure these items if they ever do come back into stock. They even have a Discord which you guys can get keywords from, guides from there. They have a YouTube channel with more detailed explanations on how to set up for the drops. It comes included with the purchase of the bot. They have leaks on there and even giveaways coming soon for users. Literally within 60 seconds you can set up all your tasks. You have the option to pay $130 up front, which you do get 10% off using my promo code ASTRO, or splitting it into 4 separate payments using Sezzle, which basically allows you to pay it monthly for 4 months. I honestly know there's a bunch more releases coming, whether it's Yeezy, Supreme, sneakers. There's always something gonna release, and if there's a chance for you to up your chances at getting some of these items, I would definitely recommend you to go ahead and do so. If you are interested in checking out Addict.io, I will leave them at the top of the description. Sign up for their newsletter so that way whenever they do restock, you are the first to be notified, and you do have a chance at getting the bot. So make sure you go ahead and check them out. But as far as the teaser goes and all the leaks go, I'm honestly really excited to see what Supreme has up their sleeves for this season. I feel like this can go really good or it can go really bad, and this is really make or break for Supreme, bruh, because a lot of people are swerving off the Supreme vibes. Low-key myself, I'm trying to get more into sneakers. I'm obviously into sneakers, but I'm trying to make more content surrounding, based on, and just around sneakers. That's my initial passion. Like, I've loved shoes since I was like yay big. Like, I'm talking about like yee all the way down there. I was like a little kid loving sneakers. That was just my thing, and I feel like I got into Supreme a little bit at an older age, maybe like 2016. I forgot off the back of my head, but 5 years ago. So I've been loving shoes way before all this. So I'm really excited to go ahead and get some of that content out for you guys, and just something different. So let me know what you would like to see in the comments. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Hey, we're just at the beginning of this journey. I really hope y'all stay tuned because there's a lot more to come. I'm also gonna announce a giveaway really shortly, so please click the post notification bell so you're the first to know when I have something going. The lighting is gonna be changing between these videos. Trust the process, please, bro. I gotta get this whole shit situated, bro. Like, look, this shit is bright than a motherfucker, but I'm gonna figure it out, bro. I think I'm blue in the screen, but it's gonna be okay. Let me know what y'all have to say. Slight bars. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.